So friends, here is the list of items that is required for Bhagwan Shiv Ji's Havan. Havan Samagri, the Sabut Chawal, the Kapoor, Joe, White Chandan, Black Til, Kesar, Jatavansi, the 5 different types of dry fruits, dried coconut, this is Mishri, and this is Google, Mithai, ghee, then the Ganga Jal, and instead of mango wood I have taken the uplas and the diya. Okay, and this is my Havan small thing in which I will be doing it. So what we need to do is we need to mix it all. If you are abroad and you're staying abroad and you don't get this entire thing, then you can just focus on the jaw and the til and kesar, that is what you need, and the dried coconut and the havan samagri, and mix the sweet also, and dry fruits I'm sure you're going to get it over there. Mishri also you will get, rice also you will get. So mix all with the ghee. I will be mixing everything, and entire thing I'm just mixing it, and then I'll be using it for the havan. You can see I have mixed everything, the entire thing I've mixed it. Now I have mixed all the samagris and I'm ready for my havan. So I have lit a diya, and in my havan samagri I've kept a ghee ka this thing, and I have kept the kapoor and the uplas. I've placed it like that, and the very first thing that I am sitting in a southeast direction of the home, facing east. I should face east, and I'm sitting right now. Okay, so number one we will do alom vilom, and with the alom vilom then we will start our thing. So one, inhale from the left, exhale from the right, inhale from the right, and exhale from the left. Do 3 rounds and then set your intention. Then you are doing this havan for love, peace, harmony, or whatever your intention may be. Connect with your pure heart. And now I have mixed chandan and kumkum. I am putting it on the 4 sides of the havan kund, and with all my heart and with all my bhakti. And with this, now I am taking Ganga Jal, and I am just doing 3 rounds, and I am okay. So now after this we will start our process. So I have lit the fire, and now the havan is ready. So the very first thing that we will do is we will invoke Ganesha's mantra, Om Gan Ganpate Namah, and I give gratitude to all my ancestors, all my Kul Devtas, all my Ishta Devtas, all Pitar, all my ancestors, and everybody. I invoke Lord Agni Bhagwan, and पूरे दिल से, पूरे भक्ति से कनेक्ट होते हुए we will start the Om Namo Shivaya Swaha. We'll start the Shivji's Havan. So with the Ahuti, now we'll be doing Om Namo Shivaya Swaha. Om Namo Shivaya Swaha, and we will keep on doing it. In between, keep on putting ghee, and like this you can do it for 21 times or 51 times or 108 times. It won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, you, in the end, when your entire havan is complete, that time say, जाने या अनजाने मेरे से कुछ भी अगर गलती हो गई है तो मुझे तहे दिल से आप माफ़ी दे देना. मैं पूरी भक्ति, पूरी श्रद्धा, पूरे लगन से ये हवन अपने साथ में सबके भले के लिए कर रही हूँ. आपको केवल इतना बोलना है, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ योर एंटायर हवन विल बी कंप्लीटेड. सो हरि ओम.